Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Naked Audio Tutorial. Okay, I'm Yong from Sgaudiohive. Okay, for today, we are having with us two sets of Audio Technica. This is a M50, M50. This is a m50x. Okay, so basically one of the most common issue with the Audio Technica headphones are that their headbands start to crackle. See, and they lose the ladder, the P ladder. So your branding will be gone. And today I'm going to show you how to simply make it into this. This felt material. This is actually what is underneath all this. So if you take a look at the peeling, it actually is the same material that you're gonna get. But one issue is that because this is, sort of stuck onto it, so there is a bit of stickiness to it. So after you get it to this, it'll be fine. You don't need a headphone cover, or if you can, you just buy a headphone cover and sleeve it over. I'll put a link in the description. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. Okay, so we take a look at this headphones. We have the video pads, the connector. Okay, so if you're going to make this thing flake off, it's going to get everywhere. So you might want to remove your ear pads. Okay, so basically, as you can see, this part is already removed, and it's due to wear and tear. Very simple. You just rub it with your hand. See, it will just flake apart. And of course you will lose this Audio Technica logo. Okay, you can even peel them very easily. It takes less than 5 minutes for you to do it. And after that, you just make sure that none of these things is stuck onto it because when you wear it, you fall onto your hair and everything. But this is one very simple way to deal with the cracking, as long as you're okay with not having that Audio Technica branding at the top. Okay, so there you have it. A very simple way to just remove the flaking P ladder and the printings. So now it's all good as new. And you can continue to use it without the thing flaking here and there. Okay, so before we started doing this, I forgot to mention that it's better if you have a tray to collect all the peeled out stuff. Yeah, so that's all for today. A very simple and short video. Thanks for watching.